Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jesus. Welcome back to the channel. Today's car is going to be my very own 2015 Civic Si. We're going to be washing it, waxing it. So without further ado, if you haven't already subscribed or hit the bell, go ahead and do that right now, and make sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and with our pressure washer, rinse down the car, taking off any love bug guts or any bug guts in general, and taking out any debris that we need to. So I finally picked myself up a foam cannon after a long time that I've been wanting one. I picked it up for a fairly cheap price on Amazon. It was about 25 bucks and it's been working amazing. So I saw this clip and I thought I would put it in fast motion because it looks really cool when the drops are coming down. So now that we got into all the crevices with my detail brush, we're going to go ahead and with this rim cleaner clean the inside barrel of the rim. Then with a microfiber wash mitt, wash the outer rim. After that, spraying it with some tire cleaner to clean the tires. So now that we're done cleaning the rims, we're gonna go ahead and with a microfiber wash mitt and some chemical guy soap, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the car. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and go on Instagram and follow my detailing page at High Grade Detailing. That's where I post most of the cars that I wash and detail and most of the updates I do for videos.